2 tablespoons of butter. Mix it up with 1 cup of sugar. Add 3 eggs with half a teaspoon of salt. Add 1 teaspoon of vanilla and 1 teaspoon of lemon extract and a 1/3 cup of lemon juice. Half a cup of oil or coconut oil. Put half a teaspoon of baking powder, not flour, and half a teaspoon of baking soda. 1½ cups of flour. For our lemon icing, we will put 1 cup of sifted powdered sugar with 2 tablespoons of whole milk, half a teaspoon of lemon extract. Our icing is done, and we're going to put it on our cake when it's ready. Give it a little stir.